Transform your presentations with this animated welcome slide. No more talking, let's jump right in. To start, navigate to the Insert tab at the top. Click on Shapes and choose the rectangle. Now, click and drag to draw the rectangle so it perfectly covers the entire slide. Go to Shape Outline and select No Outline. Next, go to Shape Fill and choose a light gray color. Now, let's add our main text. Go back to Insert, select Text Box, and draw it in the center. Type the word welcome in all caps. Select the text and change the font style to something thick and bold so the animation shows through clearly. Go ahead and increase the font size until it fills a good portion of the screen. You can also increase the font size by using this icon. Make it bold. To give it a modern look, go to the font settings, choose character spacing, and set it to very loose. Don't forget to center the text. Now we need everything perfectly centered on the slide. Hold the Control key and click both the rectangle and your text box. Under the Format tab, click Align, then select Align Center and Align Middle. Next, let's add a subtitle. Insert another text box and draw it like this. Then type "To our presentation." Select the whole text. Change the font style. I will choose this one. Make this bold as well. For a professional touch, go to Character Spacing, click More Spacing, and set it to 20 point. This creates a beautiful, wide look. Adjust the subtitle size and place it right under your main welcome text. Now, here is the secret trick. Select the background rectangle and both text boxes by pressing Control key. Under the Format tab, go to Merge Shapes and click Subtract. You'll see the text is now cut out of the shape. Time for visuals. Go to Insert, select Pictures, and bring in your first image. Resize it to cover the whole slide. Then right-click the image and select Send to Back. You can now see the image through the text holes we made. Now, bring in your second picture. It's best to use a picture with different colors to make the transition stand out. If your second picture doesn't match the slide dimensions, click Crop, go to Aspect Ratio, and select 16:9. Now stretch it to fit the slide perfectly. Let's zoom out so we have more workspace. Click and drag this second picture completely off to the right side of the slide. We will animate it, moving in later. We need a separator. Go to Inserts, go to Shapes, select Rectangle, and draw a new rectangle over the slide. Like this? Okay. And again, select No Outline and make it black. Now place the rectangle between the slide and the picture. Now bring the picture like this. Now select both the black rectangle and the second picture together. Go to the Animations tab, click Add Animation, and scroll down to Motion Paths to find lines. By default, it goes down, so go to Effect Options and change the direction to left. Set the duration to 6 seconds for a nice, smooth reveal. You will see a red arrow representing the animation path. Click on it carefully and drag it like this. And place it like this. Now you will see another red arrow which belongs to the second pictures. Click on it carefully and drag it like this. Make sure the red arrow of the rectangle and the picture place like this. For the final touch, select your second background picture, right-click, and select Send Backward. Everything is now in place. Let's play the slideshow to see the final result. It looks amazing! If you found this trick helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more professional PowerPoint tutorials.